Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect Robinhood to your Autopilot investment app. First of all, what you have to do is you have to open your Autopilot application on your mobile. You can download it from your Play Store or App Store depending on your device, and then just open it up. Then you have to tap on this Explore Popular Portfolios, and now you just have to enter your mobile number. Then you will receive a verification code, so just enter the verification code here and tap on OK, continue. Then you will be able to see the similar screen. From here you have to tap on this pick a pilot option in the bottom. Now on this screen it will display all the popular pilots that you can copy, so you can choose any one of them. Just simply choose any one and then simply tap on this select this tracker here in the bottom, and then it might ask you to allow notifications. You can click on skip for now, or if you want you can allow them. And then from here you have to choose your Robinhood and then tap on this continue in the bottom. Now you just have to enter your Robinhood account details such as your username and password, and then simply tap on this connect. And once you do that, you are good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to connect Autopilot to your Robinhood. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.